Hi everyone, this is a lesson which is introducing you to Unit 4, which is titled The Outsiders. As you watch this lesson, you should be completing this form, which is your student copy. The statement of inquiry for this new unit is fictional themes connect to real life. The definition of theme for this context is what you would consider a literary theme, which means it's a universal idea, lesson, or message explored throughout a work of literature. So now I want you to respond to this conceptual question just based on your own thoughts. You don't need to look anything up. How can fiction inform your life? And in this case, when it says inform, it means how can you learn and maybe change and grow from reading a work of fiction? The debatable question is, should schools limit the amount of fiction that is taught? And then you can write yes or no, but either way, please explain your thoughts there. The summative assessment. The grasp for this unit is that the goal is to demonstrate understanding of how fictional themes connect to real life. Your role is you are a writer for a school newspaper. The audience would be the school. The situation is you need to write an article, which is a book review of The Outsiders. And the product is you will write an article/essay which examines how one of the novel's themes connects to real life. Your assessment criteria is analyzing, justify opinions and ideas using examples, explanations, and terminology. There'll be 2 learner profiles for this unit. The first one is reflective, which means we give thoughtful consideration to our own learning and experience. We are able to assess and understand our strengths and limitations in order to support our development. In addition, communicators. We express ourselves confidently and creatively in many ways. Enjoy the unit.